Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play two-player Fall Guys on Xbox. Start by connecting a second controller and signing into a second Xbox profile immediately. Next, launch Fall Guys and choose the correct local party or couch co-op option from the main menu. Make sure both players press the ready button and pick their costumes so the lobby fills and you can begin racing together quickly. In this video, I will explain how to play two-player Fall Guys on Xbox. Begin by testing both controllers for responsiveness and adjusting dead zones if movement feels floaty. Practice jumps and dives together in freeplay to sync timing for team rounds and cooperative levels. Keep roles simple, like one player focusing on blocking and the other on grabbing, to reduce confusion. Stay patient and friendly. Quick coordination beats chaos. In this video, I will help with strategies to play two-player Fall Guys on Xbox. Start each round by agreeing on a clear plan, like who leads and who supports through shortcuts or blocks. In team games, focus on simple coordinated moves such as guarding goals and rescuing teammates from hazards. Avoid risky solo plays when down a player, and use intentional timing on dives and grabs to secure wins more consistently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.